very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is hormones and human energy, unlocking the emotional dynamo. Ladies and gentlemen, the human body is an extraordinary masterpiece of interconnected systems, each contributing to the vitality and energy required to thrive. At the heart of this lies the human energy grid, a synergy of 5 key dynamos: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. Among these, the emotional dynamo remains the least explored, yet holds the profound ability to influence the functionality of the entire energy system. A healthy emotional state serves as the cornerstone, determining the fate of the other dynamos. When this dynamo thrives, the energy grid operates at peak performance, but when disrupted, it drains vitality across the board. At the core of this process lies the endocrine system, an intricate network of glands secreting hormones, the true amplifiers of human energy. The endocrine system serves as the command center for the body's energy regulation, with glands such as the hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal glands, thyroid, pineal gland, and pancreas orchestrating hormone secretion. Each gland plays a vital role. Hypothalamus and pituitary gland together, they regulate key hormones such as oxytocin, which fosters emotional bonding, and ACTH, which governs cortisol release, affecting stress levels. Adrenal glands, these release adrenaline and cortisol, which drive immediate energy responses but can cause depletion when stress persists. Thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, indirectly influencing energy distribution across the body. Pineal gland secretes melatonin, essential for restorative sleep and emotional stability. Pancreas manages blood sugar levels through insulin, ensuring a steady energy supply. Hormones such as dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins, often referred to as the emotional hormones, are intricately linked to the emotional state of the mind. Their secretion is directly influenced by the immediate environment and broader cosmic rhythms such as circadian cycles. Positive interactions, fulfilling relationships, and acts of kindness stimulate these hormones, boosting emotional energy and creating a cascading effect across all dynamos. Conversely, chronic stress, negativity, or a chaotic environment suppresses hormone production, causing emotional depletion and a decline in overall energy. Let us take few key insights. 1. Heightened emotional states. Elevated emotions release surges of dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, enabling all energy dynamos to operate at peak capacity. Second, the energy of empathy. Conscious efforts to understand and uplift others' emotions amplify not only their energy grids but also one's own. Positive energy exchanges foster collective well-being. Third, stress and energy drain. Prolonged stress elevates cortisol, suppressing emotional hormones and impairing the body's ability to regenerate energy. What are the ingredients for emotional health? Let's examine. First, supportive relationships. Emotional connection nurtures oxytocin, creating resilience and vitality. Second, stress management. Mindfulness, yoga, and breathing exercises regulate cortisol and enhance serotonin. Third, quality sleep. Melatonin production ensures hormonal balance and emotional stability. Fourth, nourishing diet. Foods rich in magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and tryptophan boost serotonin and dopamine. Fourth, spiritual alignment. Practices like meditation and gratitude strengthen the emotional spiritual link, elevating the grid's energy. What's the way forward? The emotional dynamo holds the power to amplify the entire energy grid, but its sensitivity to environmental stressors requires deliberate care. By fostering emotional well-being in oneself and others, it is possible to achieve a cascading positive effect across all dynamos. Prioritizing actions that elevate emotional energy, acts of kindness, active listening, and fostering harmony can build a society where collective energy thrives. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the emotional dynamo, powered by the magic of hormones, serves as the linchpin of human energy. It acts as the multiplier that bridges physical, mental, spiritual, and aspirational realms. Yet, this dynamo is deeply affected by the environment and human interactions. Each action, word, and thought carries energy, influencing the emotional grids of those around. In today's world, where stress and discord deplete human potential, there lies an urgent need for conscious energy giving. Acts of kindness, empathy, and positivity are not just gestures, they are catalysts that amplify energy across humanity, building resilience and progress. By understanding and nurturing the emotional energy system, humanity can unlock unparalleled potential and drive a future filled with vitality, compassion, and shared success. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.